Are you tired of stepping into the shower only to be greeted by harsh chemicals and impurities in your water? Say goodbye to dull hair, dry skin, and unpleasant odors with the revolutionary NiXY Hub 20-stage premium shower filter. Join us on a journey to pure, invigorating showers with our advanced filtration technology. Our 20-stage filtration system eliminates chlorine, heavy metals, and impurities, leaving you with nothing but pristine water for your bathing pleasure. Feel the difference in your skin and hair as our water softener combats hard water issues, providing you with a refreshing cleanse every time. With universal compatibility and easy DIY installation, transforming your shower experience has never been easier. Plus, with long-lasting performance and a satisfaction guarantee, you can trust NiXY Hub to deliver premium quality and peace of mind. And if you ever encounter compatibility issues, our exceptional customer service team is here to provide quick solutions and ensure your complete satisfaction. I have tested whether it is removing hardness of the water. It is fine as per its price range. Plus, the customer service is amazing. They even sent me a custom connector for free when I needed it. Highly recommend. Don't settle for ordinary showers. Upgrade to the NiXY Hub 20-stage premium shower filter and indulge in the luxury of pure, filtered water. Transform your shower experience today